There is more trouble for the Gandhis and the Congress. The Enforcement Directorate is probing the money laundering angle into the National Herald case. Congress is on the ED's radar, with a probe now being initiated against the Gandhis. Preliminary inquiry number 1 has been initiated against the Congress party, which essentially means that the ED is going to look into this case, also find out whether it does merit to file more advanced inquiry in this. But even as this happens, there is going to be a hearing in the Delhi High Court today. The Gandhis, in fact, and the Congress party, whom other leaders have also been summoned by a Patiala House Court, have in fact moved the Delhi High Court asking for the quashing of those summons. We earlier spoke to Subramaniam Swamy about this. Let's listen to what he said.
Well, it's my complaint, so I must be happy. It's a multidimensional crime. One is the IPC offences where summons have been issued, then the income tax for which notices have been issued, and now money laundering in the whole operation, for which now the ED has, under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, issued notice. After this, there will be company law offences also that have to be investigated separately. So all these are, in my opinion, the evidences are pakka, and all that the Congress can do is to try buy time and go on these useless appeals. Let them go. The government is not doing this. I am doing it as a private individual. My complaint is a private complaint. And you see, you commit a crime and then you say, this is a vendetta. The fact is that have you committed the crime or not? In case you make a false case, there's also relief in the CRPC for that. And the Supreme Court has a number of times said that this kind of allegation of malafide and all that cannot be gone into if the facts are strong, and the facts are here very strong. They have challenged the summons issuing and they want it quashed. Let's see what happens.
Well, if this does not reflect political vendetta, then what else qualifies as political vendetta? I do not understand. Here is a government which, while in opposition, used to cry itself hoarse that the UPA misuses and abuses government agencies in order to hound their political adversaries. And what we have seen in the very first month of this government coming into office is that what they used to accuse the UPA of wrongly is actually what they are practicing in terms of trying to hound their political adversaries. And if this is the kind of politics which the BJP government wants to pursue, then obviously it will be met with a robust political and legal response in every appropriate fora.